Good morning, boys and girls, teachers, and staff, and welcome to Tuesday, February 5th of 2019. For our morning announcements today, we do have a couple of birthdays to announce. So happy birthday to Giselle and also Tristan. It is your birthday today. Have a wonderful day today. Also, if you are involved with choir, we do have practice today, so you practice after school. So just a reminder about that. And our lunch choices for today is a chili dog, beef and cheese nachos, or turkey and cheese sandwich. And today for our Paws, we have some second grade girls here to talk about positive attitude, but also some prizes from our World's Finest Chocolate fundraiser for the PTCO.
All right, boys and girls, it is that time for our Paws. But today I'm showing you all the prizes that we have for our World's Finest Chocolate. So we do have some new prizes here that I wanted to show you. So two of the girls have squishy keychains. Can you show those girls to everybody? That's okay. Can you also show the lighted glove? Yep, the glove lights up. You just can't see it from right now. So there have the different prizes, and of course the hats are down below. So they have things about keeping a positive attitude today they'd like to share. Those are great things. Thank you very much, girls, for showing off our World's Finest Chocolate prizes for today.
Thank you very much, girls. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If we could stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance. Please make sure you're standing. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, girls. I appreciate that. So, boys and girls, let's make some great choices today. Let's have a great Tuesday. And remember, boys and girls, if you are involved with choir, that is practice after school today. Thank you and have a wonderful day.